Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am, and this is Yashoda. And friends, in today's video, I just want to tell you how can I do my speaking practice alone at home without having any environment. And you can also start having conversation and you can start doing your speaking practice, because friends, without speaking you are not going to achieve your fluency, you are not going to be a good speaker. So friends, today I had a conversation with a girl on audio conversation, and I talked to her, but I didn't tell her about my identity, that who I am. But after listening my voice, she got to know that I am Yashoda ma'am. I'm Yashoda Lodi. But this video, I'm just want to tell you, if you don't have partners, so by using some apps, you can easily do your speaking practice, as well as you can make yourself confident, so that you can sound confident while having conversation or while speaking in front of anyone. So friends, first of all, we have to start it from the audio conversations, and then we should move on from audio to video conversations, so that we can make ourselves confident. Let's So without any further delay, let's get into the video.
Hello,
Hello, good afternoon.
very good afternoon.
Where are you from?
What's I'm from Punjab, and you?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah, UP.
Okay. Your voice like Dehati ma'am. You know YouTube channel?
Yes, I know.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Rupa.
Rupa.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you married?
Yeah, I'm married. It's been only 1 year.
Okay. Are you study or homemaker or job?
Actually, after my study, then my parents, they made me to marry my husband. Yeah, and that's why it's been 2 years right now. I'm married.
What's your qualification?
My qualification is I did only mm 10th. 10th. I passed my high
10th.
school. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Nice. How long have you been learning this language?
It's been 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
nice.
I know that my English is not good.
Don't worry, my English also not good. But it's app is very helpful to become fluent and improve our confidence.
Yes.
So we soon will be fluent in this language.
Yes. So
Practice make our more perfect.
yeah, practice makes a man perfect. Definitely.
Practice makes man perfect.
Yeah. And I think consistency it also matters. This thing it
Yes.
also matters.
Yes, consistency also matter, and we should not worry to make mistakes, and we should always do practice, and we do always continuously learning.
Yes. So are you married or are you single?
Actually, I'm unmarried.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
24.
Yeah.
You are young. You are young than me.
You,
I am 28 years old.
you're 28.
Yes.
Actually, here in UP, it's normal to get married around between 18 to 20 to 25, it's normal.
Okay,
But
okay.
after 20,
But
but after 25, it creates a very big problem for our parents.
yes. Some society uh, takes age. It's a big deal for
Yes,
mostly
yes.
for girls, and they think girls should be get married in 25 or less than 25 in age.
So
So
you live with your parents.
sorry.
You live with your parents.
Yes, I live my parents. There are 7 members in my family.
Seven
My
members.
parents, yes, 7 members. My parents and my elder brother, my sister-in-law, and my 2 nephew, and including me.
Okay.
And what about you?
Yeah, in my family, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, and my husband, and yeah, my I have two sister-in-laws.
Two sister-in-laws.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, so, what was you? Tell me your name.
Rupa.
Rupa. Sorry, I
Yeah.
forgot your name. Sorry, Rupa. Nice name. Okay, Rupa. What is your strategy to learn this language? To take command on this language.
Actually, I don't know so many things, but I know only one thing, that listening and speaking is very important. So mostly I spend my time on my listening practice and speaking. Sometimes I spare time for my speaking practice. Otherwise, it's hardly I get time for speaking practice. Mostly I do listening.
So, how do you speaking practice?
Means I use this app, and apart from this app, sometimes I practice with myself.
Practice with yourself
Yes.
by mirror in the front of mirror,
No,
or by
in
using
my
the
house, there is not that kind of big mirror. But yeah,
okay.
I do my practice with myself, means while cooking and while doing the household chores, and whenever I get some
Okay,
time before
you
going to bed.
okay, you talk with yourself.
Yes, I talk with myself.
Okay, you talk with yourself. Okay. Nice. I think try this your strategy.
Because here there is not any kind of environment, it's very difficult to create that environment. So yeah, that's why I prefer only myself to talk for talking practice.
I also have I also have not any environment, English environment. I am also belong to Hindi medium,
Okay.
and I love this language. I want to fluent in this language so that I can speak to anyone, anyone whom they are from India or they are from other country.
I think that's why I'm also learning this language, because I also want to have conversation with a lot of uh, in strangers. I want to interact with them so that I can easily get to know about their culture, their custom, what they usually do, about their profession. Means normal talk. I can say I just want to interact with so many people, and this is a
Great.
very it's a very common language.
Yes, it's very common and it's very important language these days because this language used I think every sector, every department, and especially in private sectors.
Yes, yes.
If we want to do job in companies, this language is very important, and this tongue open lots of different doors to become to successful, and different job opportunities. It's my thought.
Yes, you're right. So should we speak on any kind of topic, or we just continue just like this?
Yes, of course we can should talk about any topic if you have, so tell me.
You tell me, means you just suggest me any kind of topic, and then we can start.
Okay. um this time any topic doesn't come in my mind.
Okay,
um
I'm telling you, means I can tell you. And
yes, you can.
according to me, my today's topic is how can we live in our life so that we can feel happy, or we can make others happy.
Ah, nice. Good, good topic. You will start,
First,
or
first you.
first I first you. Okay. First of all, I think make feel happy. First of all, we should feel happy. Our if I feel happy, so I think we make others happy,
Yes.
and we should not feel low, or um, underconfident if we face any problem or unsuccess in our life. We should uh, keep to try to achieve
Goals.
our goals, so that I can achieve our goals, and we can feel happy. And if we feel happy, so that I can I and we can share our experience to other people, so that we can to motivate other people to achieve their goal in our life.
Yes.
And and all those things we have, we find out all happiness, all content in those things, and we always feel happy with all things we have in our life. We have and we achieve from God, I think so.
Yes, you are totally right. You're completely right. I think, according to me, to make ourselves happy, it's very important, because if we will feel happy, then we can make others happy, by because we are happy, so that we can spread that kind of positiveness in our environment. And by seeing us, other person, they will get motivation, and they will also try to make themselves happy. As well as, I think there's one important thing that I would like to add on this. Our deeds, we are helping someone, because I feel sometimes happy when I help someone who is really in the need of, means any kind of thing, means if there is a poor person, okay, they come, if beggars come to your home, so give them some things, so that they can eat, they can enjoy their life as well, just like us. It makes me happy a lot. And apart from this, I would always be ready. I always ready for helping others, because I don't know why, but helping others makes me happy a lot. So I prefer this only. And there's one thing also behind this. mm, Being happy, it's a nature. God has given us this life, and in our life we are supposed to be happy. Otherwise, what is in there in our life means, you can see there are so many kind of people, different kind of people have different kind of status of living. One is living with so only little things. One has uh, one person who is rich from his status, but he don't have that kind of contentment. But a person who don't have anything, any kind of facility, he happy with it, because he know that I am content with my things. Whatever I have, I am not cursing myself that I don't have this, I don't have that. And yeah, and for making others, I prefer only helping others, not financially, but at least sometimes we make them happy by uh, telling them some stories, by telling them some kind of good things, by sharing our thoughts also,
Yes, yes.
by appreciate them. We can make them happy whether he is good or not, but we should appreciate everyone.
Yes, yes, definitely. You have mentioned lots of great and nice points about to make happy to other people, and I think it's great to help other people by giving them by food and sometimes financially if we can.
And
So
it's
I think
not,
it's great.
I think it's not only for men. This human being means, if you see any animal just like stray dogs and cats, so we should give them something at least to eat.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yes, yes, yes. We